In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your Wix website. If you want to create a backup version of your site, test new changes without affecting the original, or simply reuse an existing design, duplicating your Wix website is a quick and practical option. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To get started, head over to your Wix account dashboard. This is the main area where you can view and manage all of the websites connected to your account. Once you are there, look for the My Sites dropdown. This section helps you access the list of sites you currently have in Wix. So if you manage more than one website, this is where you'll choose the correct one. Next, locate the site you want to copy from your list and select it. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the right website before moving on. Especially if you have multiple projects with similar names, choosing the correct site now will save you time and avoid confusion later. After selecting the site, look for the Site Actions icon on that site's card. In many cases, this appears as 3 horizontal dots. Clicking this icon opens a menu with additional options for managing that specific website. From that drop-down menu, choose Duplicate Site. This tells Wix that you want to create a copy of the existing site rather than edit the current version. Once you select that option, Wix will prompt you to enter a new name for your duplicate site. Pick a name that helps you easily identify it later. For example, you may want to use a title that indicates it's a copy, a test version, or a working draft. Clear naming can be especially helpful if you plan to create multiple versions over time. After entering the new name, click Duplicate to confirm. Wix will then begin creating the copy of your website, depending on the size of the site and your connection. This may take a short moment. When it's finished, you'll have a duplicated version of your original site available in your dashboard, ready for editing or future use. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.